Hey traders, AXS is showing strong momentum right now. The price has increased by around 5.8% in the last 12 hours, signaling growing bullish strength. At the same time, RSI is trending upward, which suggests increasing buying interest in the market. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Hey traders, we've just posted today's premium signals with solid targets are live on Patreon. Try for $10 per month plus 15% off yearly. Join now, link in bio. Trade Smart, DYOR.